we'll guide you through how to create stunning emails using Figma. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma on your desktop and start by creating a new design file. Once you're in, you'll want to set up your canvas to the dimensions typically used for emails. A good starting point is 600 pixels wide, which is a standard size for email templates. Next, you can create a frame by selecting the frame tool from the toolbar or simply pressing the F key. Once you have your frame set up, think about the basic structure of your email. You might want to have a header, body, and footer. Use rectangles and text boxes to create these sections within your frame. You can easily drag and drop components to rearrange them as needed. Now, add your brand elements like logos and color schemes. You can import images by dragging them directly into Figma. To keep things organized, consider using components and styles. Components can be reused throughout your email design, and styles will help maintain consistent colors and text styles. If you need to add buttons or interactive elements, you can create these using the rectangle tool and text tool, and then use Figma's prototyping features to link them to other parts of your design. Once your design is complete, you can export it as an image or a PDF. Simply select the frame and go to the export settings to choose your preferred format. Finally, double check the responsiveness of your design by resizing the frame to ensure it looks good on various screen sizes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.